how? Hello there, I'm Norma.
I still have the original app. While everyone else deleted this game, I kept it. I kept it all these years. So this is Flappy Bird.
That's the Flappy Bird. Okay.
Yeah, so that little bird. This is a game. Just tap, it just says tap right there. The object of this game is to make sure the bird passes through the pipes safely.
Oh, it's good. It's gone.
Make sure the bird flies.
Did not fly. Did not fly.
You gotta make sure the bird flaps its wings.
Well, how will I do that?
You gotta tap more than once. Keep tapping until you see the pipes. Good job. Now you see the pipes. Now get through the pipes as much as you can. Your score is determined by how many pipes your bird passed through. Almost made it.
It's not going any further.
So, get through the pipes. You gotta let the bird.
How did you do that? Just keep tapping.
You have to let the bird breathe.
Me? So I think I should let the pipe go first.
The pipe's not moving, you're moving.
Oh, why? How did you do that? It go continue like that.
Breathe. Oh.
Oh, I don't know. Don't know now. It makes me mad now. I can't get it. Santa Maria Barbara. What you want?
Breathe.
Oh, why?
I have a challenge for you. Pass 2 pipes. Just 2.
Oh, crazy. I do it everyone now.
Oh! Oh my gosh.
It did not.
No, look at your score.
Half of the pipe.
No, you got 1.
Only 1.
Congratulations.
Oh, thank you, but wait. Oh. Why? Give up.
Oh, I thought you were gonna.
It did not.
You still have one.
Only one.
What did you think about that game?
It's a silly game. I cannot get through.
See right there?
How many stars would you give this game out of 5?
5.
5?
But
So that
for
means
me-
you enjoyed a little bit.
I enjoy a little bit. It's a silly game.
It's simply a silly game. That's all it is.
Bye bye. See you next time.